Holy shit. So today I'm going to be installing a new part that I got. I've already unboxed it, so sorry, but I wanted to see it because I was actually going to plan on installing this last weekend, but now I'm installing it now, which is Tuesday. It is the ECS Tuning lightweight crankshaft pulley. So that's that. It's going to go, I'll show you where it's going to go. It's supposed to be considerably lighter. The OEM one is 3.4 pounds or some crap like that. This one's only like 0.5 pounds. But I got that and the new belt to go with it. So I'll put that on and then we should be good to go. I'm gonna go drive down the parking lot, find a shady-ish spot, and then yeah, we'll get started. We gotta get the car on a jack and we'll take the wheel off and get started with it. Oh, how you like these new harnesses, dog? I love them. They feel great. And if you take your back seats out, you don't need a harness bar because it's perfect. So yeah, like I was saying, if you take out the back seats, you can use this point here, that one there. Those are both for the rear seat belts. You can use those as the shoulder harness points. And then I just put mine underneath the seat and then bolted it down where the seat bolts down to. My dumbass forgot to film me putting it up on the jack stands. I wonder if we tighten these. They're loose as hell. Of course, I'm talking about me. I'm the dumbass. Alright. That didn't sound good, did it? Boy. Oh, and that should just fall out. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Betsy. I'm the daddy. Oh, come on, be forgiving. Alright, that's out the way. It's actually smaller than the original as well. See, it's going to be that one right there. So in case you're wondering what tools I've used so far, it is I think it's a T22 to get up the corkscrews for the shrouding and all that. So this is a, shit, I don't know, yeah, 10mm triple square bit socket, whatever that means. I'm acting like I know what I'm doing, so we're gonna go for it. Okay, so that's definitely not what I want to do. Ah, shit. So I had to fucking manhandle this thing. I didn't think I was gonna get it. I was calling my friends like, yo, is anybody like busy or anything as I need help? Well, I pretty much wedged my screwdriver up in this bitch and put my foot on it and then just kind of yanked on it. It came loose, thank goodness, because that was tricky. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just fall out of here, baby. Okay, now you're stuck. Really? Okay. I don't know where my pulley went. It's in the middle of the car. Wonderful. Oh, that's heavy. Oh shit. It's like one of those weights you use at the gym when you're a weakling like me. It feels like a 5-pound weight, I'm gonna be honest. Compared to this one, super light. So I'm just gonna attach this real quick. thought I was recording and I wasn't. But yeah, it's on. I haven't tightened it up yet. I'm about to do that in just a second. I'm gonna get some pictures, put it on Instagram, plug some ECS tuning. Hopefully they'll sponsor me. Please sponsor me. I want to sponsor me. I'd love to be sponsored by them. They have a lot of cool shit. If you're wondering, I do have the lug conversion. That's very handy if you want aftermarket wheels. And you want to be able to mount your wheels and not have to hold them up with your leg. Because I did that for a while and it sucked. Boom. Even got a new leaf. My dumbass picked the leaf up on it. I can't wait to start this up. I'm going to put the action camera on my head. And then we'll go and get some footage of the car driving. Because that's what I've been waiting on this whole time. Oh! I'm old. I'm about to start the car up for the first time. I'm wondering if it sounds any different, like when it starts up. Or even if it does start up. What if I get up? I don't know. Wish me luck. Oh, it runs. That revved really quickly. And normally it's like it struggles. So that's definitely noticeable right off the bat. Okay, well, let's get on the road and drive around for a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a second. All right, let's get it going. My first drive with the new Pulley. Everyone says around 4,000 RPM, which is in peak power. It feels a lot different. It already feels different. Oh my god. Wow. That's a lot smoother. Holy shit. Oh my god. You guys probably can't tell. I don't know like how much of difference you can see, because I know I haven't done a whole lot of POV. I'm showing a whole lot of the car, like driving, but man, this car feels different. I want to get in like third gear and just go. The 0 to 60 is almost a second quicker. I don't know if I can believe that yet, but who knows? It just, when you put it on the dash, it shakes.
So that's the end of the install. Hope you guys enjoyed this. There will be another install coming next week. And after that, we're going to be doing the wheels. And after that is Import Alliance. So that's kind of the schedule. If I film anything else, it'll go like later in one of those weeks. So those are definitely like the Monday uploads. Hope you guys enjoyed this install. And I'll see you guys later.